Hi everyone, in front of me I've got VIVO T1 Pro and let me share with you how to change the wallpaper on this device. First of all, let's find and open the settings, and then we have to scroll down a little bit to find the lock screen and wallpaper. Let's tap on it. Now let's tap on this highlighted section, which is of course the wallpaper, and here we've been transferred to the wallpapers which are pre-installed on this device. Here we've got also the local images, which simply means that you will be transferred to your own gallery. We've got also the live wallpapers, which are animated ones. It's up to you, of course. However, I'll pick something from those options, and basically in order to check the preview of the wallpaper you have to tap on it. So let me pick this one, for example. As you can see, it will immediately appear on the full screen. You can also swipe in order to check some other options. I think I will pick maybe this one. You can always tap on preview, and you will see how it will look like on the home screen. You can see the icons of the apps. So if you like it, just simply tap on apply, and right now you can decide where you want to set it. So you can set it as a lock screen, home screen, or both, and I will pick both options. So let me tap on it. Let's go back, and as you can see, the wallpaper has been applied successfully. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.